Kidney health is often neglected until serious issues arise. However, millions of people worldwide live with chronic kidney disease, CKD, without even knowing it. Around 10% of the global population suffers from some form of kidney damage, with most cases going undiagnosed until irreversible harm occurs. Early detection and prevention are crucial, and one of the best ways to support kidney health is through diet. The good news? Many natural foods can help maintain kidney function, prevent complications, and promote overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore the 10 best foods for kidney health. These nutrient-rich foods aid in the filtration process, reduce inflammation, and help maintain electrolyte balance. If you're looking to nourish your kidneys and safeguard your health, read on. 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are more than just a tangy snack, they're a powerful ally for your kidneys. Packed with antioxidants, especially proanthocyanidins, these compounds prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. Since UTIs can lead to kidney infections and damage, consuming cranberries can be particularly beneficial for those at risk of CKD. Studies show that cranberry products can lower UTI recurrence by 20 to 30%. Regularly adding fresh, dried, or juiced cranberries to your diet is a small yet impactful step in supporting kidney health. 2. Garlic. Garlic is a natural powerhouse for kidney health. It contains diallyl disulfide, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Since inflammation is a key contributor to kidney damage, garlic helps alleviate stress on kidney tissues. Additionally, it lowers blood pressure, a crucial factor in maintaining kidney health. Studies indicate that garlic supplements can reduce systolic blood pressure by up to 8%. Incorporating garlic into your meals not only enhances flavor but also benefits overall cardiovascular health. 3. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are an excellent kidney-friendly vegetable. They are low in potassium, making them ideal for individuals managing kidney disease. They are also rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and protect kidney cells. Additionally, their high vitamin C content strengthens the immune system, preventing infections that could further harm the kidneys. Whether raw, sautéed, or roasted, red bell peppers are a nutritious and delicious addition to any diet. 4. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects that benefit kidney function. Omega-3s help lower blood pressure, reduce protein levels in urine, and slow CKD progression. Additionally, they support heart health, which is closely linked to kidney function. Consuming omega-3 rich fish 2 to 3 times a week can significantly benefit both your kidneys and overall wellness. 5. Apples. Apples are a kidney-friendly fruit loaded with fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels, a crucial factor for people with diabetes, a leading cause of kidney disease. They also contain flavonoids, antioxidants that protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. Eating an apple a day supports kidney function, boosts immunity, and promotes heart health. 6. Sweet potatoes. Despite being a starchy vegetable, sweet potatoes offer kidney benefits. They contain beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and protects kidney cells. Although they have potassium, they contain less than regular potatoes, making them a better option for those needing to monitor potassium intake. Their fiber content also helps regulate blood sugar, further protecting kidney health. 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in polyphenols and antioxidants that protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. It also contains monounsaturated fats that improve cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of kidney disease progression. Drizzle olive oil over vegetables, use it in salad dressings, or add it to pasta for a kidney-friendly nutritional boost. 8. Spinach. Spinach is packed with vitamins A, C, folate, and iron, all essential for kidney health. However, it is high in oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stones in some individuals. If you're prone to kidney stones, consume spinach in moderation. Otherwise, adding small portions of this nutrient-dense vegetable to your diet can provide excellent health benefits. 9. Blueberries. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress, helping to protect kidney function. They also promote urinary tract health by preventing bacterial adhesion, reducing the risk of UTIs. Regular consumption of blueberries, whether fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies, supports kidney and overall health. 10. Turmeric. Turmeric is well known for its active compound, curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research suggests curcumin helps reduce protein levels in urine and prevents further kidney damage. It's easy to incorporate into your diet by adding it to soups, curries, or smoothies. Incorporating these 10 kidney-friendly foods into your diet can significantly impact kidney health and overall wellness. The key is balance and variety, ensuring you get a wide range of nutrients to support kidney function and prevent complications. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, proper hydration, and routine medical checkups is essential. By taking proactive steps today, you can support your kidneys for a long and healthy life.